Vinton Station, the Burlington, Cedar Rapids, and Northern Passenger Station Vinton, also known as Rock Island Depot and the Vinton Depot, is a historic building located in Vinton, Iowa, United States. Completed in 1900, this depot replaced a previous depot of the Burlington, Cedar Rapids, and Northern Railway BCR&N located on the east side of town. It was designed by the railroad's architect and chief engineer, H. F. White, and built by A. H. Connor and Company of Cedar Rapids. The single-story brick structure was constructed on a limestone foundation. 3 years after it was built, the BCR&N was acquired by the Chicago, Rock Island, and Pacific Railroad. It continued to serve as a working depot until 1967. The Benton County Historical Society restored the depot and converted into a railroad museum. The building was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1990. References